I'm really excited for the performance, and I've also really enjoyed meeting new people a lot. But I feel like we've been working really hard on our pieces for the performance, and it's coming together really well. Not only classical, we're playing some fiddle tunes, rock music too. I want them to be excited and realize that I guess the string ensemble is not boring when we're playing, that we can play cool music too, as well as classical stuff, and that they enjoy the classical stuff too.
One song I really like, it's really hard though, it's called Mountain Clinchback, and it's like a fiddle. It's really fast, so I feel like the audience will be shocked or surprised because it's really fast.
I want audiences to take away the hard work that we did and the amazing talents that we have.